currently 6:54.
We're going to Disneyland.
For real.
Here's our drive.
What do you have to say?
Wow, you. Other than just the mushrooms, it was just like, yeah, well, that's all it is. Yeah. Caroline just did, but she just used the.
Hey guys, so we're just here shopping at H&M. So also we're like promoting H&M in this video. They asked us to come here and show you some of their items and like show you like all their cute things and just sponsor. She's weird, let's walk away.
My hair looks so ugly. My hair looks so ugly.
Hey, so I'm really like looking into getting this hat for myself, kind of as like an early Christmas present. So give it a like or a thumbs up if you think we should get them because, thumbs up, subscribe. We just got our food and look how good it looks. Oh my gosh, it looks so amazing. I am so excited to eat this. Oh, wow.
Let me show mine.
Just wow.
Guys, it looks like you've already eaten.
Look how good mine looks. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty, like their presentation. Emmy, what did you get? McDonald's from Chicken Nuggets? I mean, Chicken Nuggets. You got this.
I got this.
Hey guys, so also, Forever 21 asked us to film their store too, to show them like just to sponsor it. So let's just show you like a few items. There's this really cute shirt. It's like a half shirt, it's really cute. This really cute dress. You can wear this like a homecoming or a New Year's Eve party also. Yeah, this is a dress. Okay. Yep. There you go. Woo-hoo! We're at Disneyland! I love Disneyland.
I love Disneyland so much. Why do you love Disneyland?
See this? This is from Disneyland. That double chin. Show them your double chin. Let's see it. Thank you. Hurry, go. Thanks. Sorry, my mom's a retard. As we've been driving, we've noticed a lot of cars that have antlers on their windows, like so it looks like they're reindeer. And so we're thinking that we're gonna get some. Comment down below what you think.
Oh, you can't go down any of these.
Because we think they'd be really cute, but we don't know. So just comment down below if you think we should get them.
That's the jingle bell ride. Jingle bell, stop it. Jingle bells chime, jingle bell time. Dancing, dancing,
Yes. Goals.
I bet it is too.
Here at Rainforest Cafe, and we're deciding what to eat. I think I'm gonna get the Rainforest Natural Burger.
A meatless patty of garbanzo beans.
Sounds really good. These are our meals again. The presentation's really good. I got a hamburger right there, and then my fries, and I got some ketchup on the side. What did you get in?
A hamburger as well, some fries,
That's a good amount.
a little piece of bacon, oh, 2 little pieces, a pickle, and a little skewer. I don't know, probably for presentation they added this, but I'm not really sure, but it looks super good and I'm really excited to eat it.
Yeah, that's our meals.
Okay, so we have some Truth or Dare gum. I'm gonna go ahead and eat it. Okay, so my truth is, if you were invisible, what would be the naughtiest thing you'd do? Probably, if I was invisible, I'd probably hide sometimes like from my mom so she can't get mad at me when I'm like always watching TV, you know, so she can't see me when I'm just sitting on the couch watching TV all day. That'd probably be the naughtiest thing I do.
Well, we're at Disneyland right now, but we're not going yet, so I'm just... This was our food. We haven't even ate it. I'm so excited to eat it. And so, yeah, then we'll be back soon. So, I hope you have good luck. Bye. This is my second time vlogging today, and I am just so glad. And there's a man walking out right there. It's not going to be pretty. It's not going to be pretty. Well, here I'm back again. There's a girl and a man. I think they're dating today. Here's them. They're right there. And it is just not going to be pretty if we can't get in. It's not going to be pretty.
Thanks so much for watching our vlogs. Comment down below if you liked it. Remember to look for the links in the below bar. Everything we say, do, read, breathe will be linked down below. See ya!